Hi, my name is Kareem and I'm the founder of KareemAudi.com. I want to briefly share with you the story of how this platform came to be. 6 months ago, I started my own e-commerce dropshipping website, Herlayers.com. Herlayers surpassed even my own expectations, and I've since brought on a team to help me manage it and brought on counsel to help me grow it. I'm not sharing this information to impress you, I am sharing it to impress upon you. I want to show you how to do the same thing. In my mind, Herlayers was always a prototype website. I never wanted to sell affordable women's clothing. I just wanted to prove the business model so that I can share it with those around me. I want to teach you how to start and grow your e-commerce business from scratch and walk you all the way through to making your first sale. I know how powerful it can be to own a business, and it's especially more powerful when you can do it using my business model. You don't need storefront rent, you don't need a storage, you don't need a warehouse, you don't even need inventory. That's correct. It requires very minimal capital, which is why it's accessible to most people out there. And it's why I've chosen to share it with you. I want to help make the pie bigger. And this is me doing my part. I hope to hear from you soon, and I wish you the best of luck in all your endeavors.